Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a touching love story called Letters Under the Rain. One rainy day, a young woman named Lily bought an old wooden desk for her apartment. When she opened one of the drawers, she found a bundle of old letters, tied with a red ribbon. Each letter was full of love, written to someone called my moonlight. Reading them every night before she slept. One rainy evening, May saw an old man sitting alone on a park bench, holding a letter in the same handwriting. That man was the writer of the letters, and he had been waiting for my moonlight for over 40 years. Though the old love never returned, Lily and the man became friends, and through him, she met his grandson, who eventually became the moonlight of her own life.